In honor of it being fall, I have some really cute ways to turn ordinary empty mason jars into adorable fall crafts. If you have a fall-themed wedding, this can make a cool centerpiece. Lots of good ideas for this. That's not a stencil. I'm gonna brag for a second. I did that freehand. Nice. So if you don't have any stencils around, don't sweat it. You can do it by hand, I promise you. If I can do it, you can do it. So cute, and everybody would be like, oh, who made this for you, Martha Stewart? And you'd be like, no, it's me.